guys, welcome to Bell's Rides. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me today. So again, on my day off, the weather is really crappy, so I'm in the office doing some projects. And while I was gone on my run this week, I got a couple packages. Really exciting. So this is from Sticker Mule, and here we go, my logo. Very exciting. This is so cool. I only did 50 because I wasn't sure of the quality, and so they turned out way better than I expected. They're very cool. And then a couple little stickers that we could put on our beer fridge. And what else? A coaster, which is cool because we collect these. And another sticker for my beer fridge. So Sticker Mule is a great website to just upload your logo and create stickers, or you could just make designs and create stickers to sell on your website. It's pretty neat. And then from Canva, where I designed my logo, I have the option of making some business cards. Pretty cool. So what I did is I ordered stickers from 2 locations. Here's this one here. This is from Teespring, and I do like the quality of it, and I like the size in order to put it on a vehicle. It's nice and big. However, it's not exactly how I ordered it. This area here was supposed to be transparent, and so that if you put it on what I planned on putting it on my RV, a white background, the blue lettering down here, which you can't really see because it's not exactly how I ordered it, is my website. So this didn't show up exactly how I ordered it. The quality is the same as this one, which was the third of the cost of this one. Now granted, it's smaller, however the die cut is exactly how I ordered it. So I would have to say on this comparison, Sticker Mule wins by a landslide. 3 times as much for this one over this one, and this one's exactly how I ordered it. So there you go. Until next time, enjoy the ride.